emoji rainbow.
Oh, that looks very pastel-y.
Welcome back to our channel. We're up to episode 4 of Kracie Popin Cookin.
If you haven't already done so, don't forget to
subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell.
Today we're going to do a really quick set jelly. It's another Japanese toy. This one's really fun and it teaches kids how to mix colors. So it's great for young kids, but don't forget to have an adult supervision because there's lots of tiny pieces. So let's get started. Oh, it's different from the picture. So this is the jelly setting powder. This is the lemon flavor, soda flavor, and what was the red one again, Ella? Grape. Yum. So we're gonna pop them out. There should be a tool as well. So I think we got, yep, oh, you got, don't even need scissors for this one. So you should have all the shape, the water tool, lemon, grapes, soda flavors, and your jelly setting powder. So we're gonna do, you're going to fill these 3 up to the line here. Can you see the line?
Here I go.
Okay, that one is for rinsing the tool, so we need to. So I don't think we even need scissors, but so we're gonna do red, and you can mix red in there. Or grape, yellow. Oh, look at the watercolor. Look at the powder white going to the color water and then going yellow straight away. That looks pretty awesome. You can hear it. And this is the jelly powder. That one goes in the big one, and we're going to try and spread it out nice and flat. So just to give you an idea when we put this in here. We want it to be as flat as possible. Okay, and then what happens is we're going to put this in here and push it all the way down. Oh, that's a lot. That's going to make a lolly. And before we do that, I'm going to put 2 lollies in there. Yep. A little bit much. Okay, put yellow and yellow there. Yep. A bit more yellow here. We're going to put a couple of drops of blue in there to make green. One of them. Bit more, keep going. Ooh. Alright, that's cool. Couple more drops. Yeah, put blue there. More blue. Okay, stop. Right, now we've got all the colours, so all the flavour. Jelly powder, that is grape, soda, lemon. Now we've made orange flavour, we made grape soda, and we have made lemon soda. So what flavour do you want your bunny to be? I'm
gonna make the flower.
You're gonna make the flower?
Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna make the bunny after you. Go. So we can pick any of the colours.
Start off with some yellow in the middle.
That's a lot. Yep. What does that? I'm gonna make my bunny with pink cheeks. Pretty tricky. Yeah,
I'm gonna make my flower.
Maybe blue would be nice, I reckon. Pink.
One here.
I'm gonna make a blue bunny. Okay, now we'll wait for 60 seconds. I reckon we can try and move it. Ooh, it hasn't fully set yet, but we can move it there. Oh, we can knock it out first. Leave it there. Knock out any powder. We'll pop it there. We'll pop it out when it sets. Okay, so I'm going to carrot in here.
I'm gonna put my house right here.
Push it right down. I'm gonna go first. I'm gonna do green for the top bit. And orange. Oh, this orange.
And brown.
Yeah. I think I like my carrot very much.
And blue dots. One blue dot there, two blue dot there.
I'm gonna try something different. Just gonna knock off all that powder. Leave it there to set. I'll take yours out too.
Okay.
I wonder if you can guess what I'm gonna try to do.
Not sure. Make your own shape.
Yeah, we're trying to make my own shape, but I don't know. We'll see if it works. Okay, guess what I'm doing?
A moon. Hard to guess. Rainbow.
Yeah. See how we go. And what colour do I actually put at the top?
Pink. Because that's closest to red.
There we go. Tricky.
It's nice rainbow.
Alright, so we wait for 30 seconds and that should set.
Meanwhile, we can go check these ones out, see if they're done.
So we're going to check these out. So you can use a tool to poke your rabbit out.
Your rabbit. Number one, your rabbit that you've made.
Okay, I think we can just poke it out. Oh, look at it, it's set hard. That's really cool. Cut around it and make it look really pretty. Oh, that one's really cool. I can't wait to try it.
Oh, look at that house. Nice house. Oh, nice carrot.
Alright, what we're going to do now. Alright, has that been 30 seconds?
I think so.
Right, I think you can make one more carrot while you wait for that to set, if you like. You want to make one more carrot?
I'll flip this over.
Yep, okay, make the carrot.
I'm going to make a special carrot. Pink here, pink over there, pink there, blue. Here comes your rainbow.
Oh, that looks very pastel-y.
Oh,
Quite
there's
nice
a star
actually.
mold at the bottom.
Okay, that's done as well. I have to say, I cannot believe how good this turned out. Right, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna eat the carrot.
Woohoo.
Oh, it's sour. I'm salivating. It tastes like snakes. Not, is it sour gummy? Sour gummy snakes.
Or Sour Patch.
Taste-wise, this is my favorite so far.
Cheers.
Cheers. It's not bad. I want to try the blue because I both feel like it tastes like soda. I'm gonna have an ear.
I'm gonna have the other ear.
Oh yeah, it does taste like soda. And what was red? Grape. I think red is my favorite.
Pretty good.
Alright. Out of all the Japanese toys we've played so far, I think as a mum, I like this one the most. It teaches kids about color mixing and it sets so quickly, so even the little ones don't lose patience. And it tastes pretty good too. It tastes like sour snakes. What do you think, Ella?
Yes.
How would you rate this one?
Yes. A big, big yes.
Okay, I think we are going to definitely buy this one again, especially for school holidays when your friends come over. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to comment. We love your support and what you think about all the videos we're making. We're putting a lot of effort into this to share what we enjoy. So I hope you get a glimpse of what we do at home. So comment down below, and if you haven't already done so, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Bye!
Bye!